Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and it looks like they're trying to reproduce this in this off pink. And they're using, he told me he's using the common shape grip. So let's go to common shape, go to common shapes, and yours might say basic shapes, and go pick what I actually call a water drip 2, and either hold down the control button or not. But you can't get that pointed shape. Now, you could play around with it forever and a day. But the way to draw this, and I kind of discovered this on the shape tool a couple years ago. If you take an ellipse, and I'm actually going to hit P and put it in the center of the page, go up to Object and convert that ellipse to a curve. Now it's got 4 nodes. And if you'll start moving this and hold down the control button, that limits you to your degree, so if you can stay right in the middle. And then a lot of people would take this and right click and turn it into a cut, and then and this is the way I used to do it, and then try to mimic that, and you'll never be even. And you could figure that out by mirroring it and using the best. But you can also, I don't ever use it enough, I need to start using it more. If you take your handles like it is right now, and just take one of the sidebar handles and start moving it toward the other one, it becomes that shape. It puts those, basically, it just levels it out. And I'd almost be willing to guarantee that this is the exact same shape, or really, really close. And if you size it down a little bit, maybe you can squish it up a little bit. I mean, look at that. That's almost a carbon copy. Anyway, I hope that answered this question. Thank you for watching.